Question number 18. An electric dipole is placed at an angle of 30 degree with an electric field intensity 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. It experiences a torque equal to 4 Newton meter. The charge on the dipole if the dipole length is 2 centimeter. Now given theta is equals to 30 degree, electric field E is equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. Torque tau is equals to 4 Newton meter. Dipole length L is equals to 2 centimeter. So it is equals to 0.02 meter. What we have to find out? Charge Q is equals to what? Okay. Now we know formula tau is equals to P cross E. Now it is equals to P E sin theta. Torque is equals to P cross E, so P E sin theta. Now torque is given here 4, or we can write 4 is equals to P. We have to find out P into E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 into sin 30 degree. P is equals to, this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Sin 30 means half, so half 2 is going to be here 2. So it is equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is the value of the P, dipole moment. Now again we know P is equals to Q into L. Now Q is equals to P by L. P is 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by L is 0.02 meter. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Coulomb. So it is equals to 2 millicoulomb. Right answer is option number 2, 2 millicoulomb. Next question is question number 19. Two identical charged spheres suspended from a common point by two massless strings of length L are initially at a distance D. D is the very less than L apart because of their mutual repulsion. The charges being to leak from both of these spheres at a constant rate. As a result, the spheres approach each other with a velocity v. Then v varies as a function of distance x between the sphere as. So we have to find out how the velocity relate with the distance. So let's see the solution. Suppose here is the two charges initially hanging from a point. Distance is d between them. It is the very less than L. L is the length. Initially, suppose their charge is Q, and they experience force F. This is the Coulombian repulsive force, and the Q charges is leaked. Gradually the charges is decreased, and after few time later, if we consider that the condition is like that. The charge is leaked and they come closer, and the distance is suppose x. This is the L. Now it experience force F dash here, F dash here. Now if it make theta here, and here we consider mass m, now it experience force downward direction, which is the mg. Okay, now it is the tension force T. So it is theta, means it is also theta. Now if we make here like that, the force is F dash and force is F dash. This is tension force T. It make angle theta like that, and downward direction force is mg. It is theta also. So component is, this component is t sin theta, this component will be t cos theta. Now t cos theta is equals to mg here, t sin theta is equals to f dash. So we can write from here sin theta by cos theta, it is the tan theta is equals to f dash by mg. Here f is equals to k q square by d square. Here f dash is equals to k. Suppose here charge is q and q, because the charge is leaked and the distance is decreased. K q square divided by x square. Again this distance is x by 2, x by 2. Now theta is, that is theta is very small. Theta is very small, then we know theta nearly equals to tan theta, nearly equals to sin theta. Now sin theta is equals to, the value of sin theta is equals to here perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So x by 2 divided by L. So this is equals to x by 2 L. Now this is theta, as theta very small, so theta is equals to tan theta nearly equals to tan theta nearly equals to sin theta is equals to x by 2 L. So here tan theta is the x by 12, here tan theta is equals to f dash by mg. So we can write f dash by mg is equals to x by 2 L. Okay. Now the value of f dash is k q square divided by x square. So it is mg x square is equals to x by 2 L. Now q square is equals to mg divided by 2 k L into x cube. Okay. Now q equals to root over mg 2kl into x to the power 3 by 2. Here m, g, k, and l all the constant. So this is a constant. This term is a constant. So we can write q is equals to c x to the power 3 by 2. Now the charge is here leaked. Charge is leaked at a constant rate. Charge is leaked at a constant rate. So charge is decreased at a constant rate. So the repulsion also decreases. So they come closer gradually. So now dq by dt, this is the rate of the charge and it is decreased. So minus dq by dt, it is a constant. We can write k. Alright. Now we have to find out dq by dt. So it is equals to c into 3 by 2 into x to the power half into dx by dt. Now it is another constant. So dq by dt is equals to, now we can write, this is the c1, this is x to the power half into dx by dt means velocity v. So we have to find out how the velocity v is related to the x distance. So we got our final equation. From that equation we can write this is a constant, this is a constant, this is a constant. So we can write v x to the power half is equals to constant. Now we can write v is proportional to x to the power minus half. V x to the power half is constant. So we can write v proportional to x to the power minus half. So our final answer is option number 2, v x to the power minus half. The question is asked in NEET 2016. Okay, thank you.